Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Candy Crush Saga. We click on settings. In this page, we will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about Candy Crush Saga. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your